This 2-week fat loss plan is simple and powerful. We focus on clean foods, smart workouts, and daily discipline. Follow each step for real, visible changes. Start your morning with warm lemon water. It boosts metabolism and helps your body burn fat faster. Drink it before breakfast every single day. Eat protein-rich breakfast like eggs, oats, or Greek yogurt. Protein keeps you full and prevents cravings. This is the most important meal for fat reduction. Avoid sugary foods, breads, and fried items in the morning. These spike your blood sugar and slow down fat burning. Your day should start clean and light. Eat more vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and carrots. They're low in calories but high in nutrients. Vegetables help melt fat naturally. Choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. These help build fat-burning muscles. Add them to lunch and dinner daily. Avoid rice, white bread, pasta, and processed carbs. They increase belly fat and slow your progress. Replace them with healthier options. Use whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa. These provide energy without storing fat. Small portions are key. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Hydration boosts metabolism and reduces hunger. Keep a bottle with you all day. Avoid soft drinks, juices, and energy drinks. These contain hidden sugar that slows fat loss. Stick to water or herbal tea only. Do 20 minutes of brisk walking every morning. It's simple but highly effective for fat reduction. Start slow and increase pace daily. Add jumping jacks to boost your heart rate. Do 3 sets of 30 seconds for quick fat burn. This activates your full body. Try planks for a stronger core. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds daily. This shrinks belly fat fast. Do mountain climbers for fast fat burn. This exercise targets belly and waist fat. Perform 20 to 30 seconds daily. Avoid eating late at night. Your body stores food as fat when you sleep. Finish your last meal before 8 p.m. Eat fruits but avoid bananas and mangoes during fat loss. Choose apples, berries, and oranges instead. These fruits support rapid fat reduction. Snack smart with nuts and seeds. Small portions boost energy without weight gain. Avoid chips and packaged snacks. Green tea helps burn fat faster. Drink it once or twice daily. It supports your metabolism naturally. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Good sleep reduces hunger and boosts fat loss. Your body burns fat while you rest. Follow this plan consistently for 2 weeks. Eat clean, move daily, and stay motivated. Results will be visible and rewarding.